Hello, good morning everybody. This is JC. Nice to meet you all here and thank you for watching my video. Today we are talking about how to make a loaf from a yarn. Because there are some of the customers, they ask me about how to make a loaf, but for making a loaf, we know we need the loaf making machine. But that is not the only one. We also need the pie making machine. What is the pie? That it is some people do not understand, and or maybe they do not know how to separate the pie and loaf. So today we are talking about that. First, right now we can to see what is the yarn. Here it is the Saison yarn. I can show you here. It's because yarn. You can see. The yarn it is made by the fiber. They will have several kinds of the machine to drawing, to combining and spinning. After the spinning machine, then we get the yarn. This called yarn. Then we will use the pie making machine make the yarn into the pie. How to see the pie? Let me show you. This is a loaf, right? These are 3 pie of the loaf, and then here you can see this is 3 pie of the loaf, and 1 pie it has some yarn inside. You can see there are some yarn, 1, 2, 3. That's the different yarn in it. So yarn made the pie and the pie made the loaf. That is it. Is it clear? If still have any question, please message me. Okay, today that's all. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.